Hey, we're Tyler and Joyce. We own Big Bun Drive-In, one of the first drive-ins in Boise, Idaho. We've been around here for 70 years. The thing we're best known for is our homemade finger steaks and our customer service. So we've been looking for a new location for 4 years now, and we found this one, and it worked out perfect for us. We converted an old Carl's Jr. into our Big Bun. We spent days and days tearing out their playground and making this indoor-outdoor patio with garage doors, and we're perfect location here for us, and we were able to incorporate our old feel with a new location, and it's been great. We've been using bare metal standard for 70 years now. I think we're their first customer ever. They've been great to us. We've tried to switch companies before, once in the past, for about 3 months, and they didn't do nearly as good a job as bare metal. It's great to have a company that you can rely on to do the dirty work, I guess, for you, so we can focus on our business and the things that make us successful.